Air filter maintenance and replacement. To take care of our vehicle's air filter, you will need a flat and cross screwdriver, pliers, WD-40, air filter oil, and a new air filter. On single-cylinder models, the air filter is located under the seat. Loosen 2 clamps and 2 screws holding the airbox cover. Loosen the clamp and remove the filter. Let's check the condition of the filter. Filters like this one are okay to use, but it is recommended to change it. Air filters like this one have to be changed immediately. If not, it can easily damage your vehicle's engine. So how do you properly prepare a new air filter for use? Spray the special air filter oil on the foam part of the filter. Do not spray the oil on the paper part of the filter. That could damage it. If you have a reusable foam air filter, use more oil to fully soak it. Squeeze out any excess oil. Put the filter back in the airbox and tighten the clamp. Make sure to not over-tighten because otherwise you'll damage the plastic tube. Put the airbox cover and clamps back on, then screw the 2 bolts. Mount the seat back on and you are ready to go. Ride safe and see you soon.